Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Vuyile and I'm so happy to have you here. On this channel, we talk about business basics for beginners. And in today's video, I am going to be talking about community. It is no secret that entrepreneurship is lonely, especially when you are a solo entrepreneur. That means you're somebody who started or founded your business by yourself. You don't have a partner, you don't have anybody really close by who's helping you and working through the whole journey with you. Even if you do maybe have a partner, it can still get quite lonely because you probably have really different tasks, and it's not sort of like starting a job where you are part of this bigger existing system, and by joining in you're certainly part of this clique of whatever workplace that you're a part of. Entrepreneurship can get really lonely, and I just want to share 3 tips that are really helpful in order to build a healthy community and to make the process of the entrepreneurship journey a lot better for you. Number 1 is attending networking, business, entrepreneur events, courses, classes. Even if you're already knowledgeable in something, even if you already have the experience in something, there's always room to learn more. There's always opportunities to learn more. There's always more to discover, right? And it's such a great place to meet like-minded people, a great place to learn new things, and a great place for you to be challenged in your belief systems, be challenged in who you are and your character as a leader. Another way is through social media, whether through LinkedIn or whether through joining certain Facebook groups or whether through different YouTube channels in the comment section like this one, or through Instagram channels that are talking about business. Finding an online community, regardless what part of the world you're located, regardless what industry you're part of, finding an online community in which you're able to just feel seen in your experience, where you're able to learn things, you're able to just talk about some of the things maybe you're not able to in your personal circles because they don't understand this particular journey or pathway, and using those just to refuel yourself and be with like-minded people. Another really big point that I would like to point out is cultivating a good group of friends around you who may not even be in the world of entrepreneurship. It can get so overwhelming with all the things you have to do as a business owner or as a founder. There's so much that sometimes it's hard carving out time for personal, matters, carving out time for just fun, carving out time to spend time with people who know you and love you and care for you. And even if they may not be in business and they may not even understand the things relating to your career, right? They can still connect with you in other ways. They still understand feelings of loneliness. They still understand feelings of frustration. They still understand a lot of those feelings because oftentimes feelings are universal, right? And so find a good community of people who know you, who love you, who champion you, who are going to remind you to do fun things when you are totally bogged down by a million different things. We're going to remind you to laugh and remind you to celebrate your accomplishments and remind you to play and remind you of your why and your reasoning of why you started your business. Another tip I'd like to share is remember you are part of a larger ecosystem. There are over 500 million entrepreneurs in the world, and you're just one of them, right? And so even if what you're working towards, nobody's done it before, there aren't a lot of people around you in your sphere, in your area, who are working towards your solution, working towards your ideas and your goals, you are part of a larger ecosystem of entrepreneurs, and you are seen, you are loved, you are valued, and your efforts are important and necessary in the world. So this video was short, just a short encouragement for all the entrepreneurs out there, just to let you guys know that you've got this, and you've got this. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great holiday season. Have a great time with your family. Have a great time with your loved ones. And Merry Christmas.